Now we're gonna show you how to troubleshoot the fans with the fan relay. We're gonna bypass the fan relay, and the relay is located underneath the hose on the passenger side. So there's gonna be a zip tie there. Just take that off, pull the sleeve, and unplug the plug from the relay. So after you unplug it, what you're gonna need to have is a piece of wire. Just splice them on both ends and loop it in between those two small holes. Then what you do after that is that you turn the key to the on position. As soon as you turn the key to the on position, your fans should kick on. Meaning that there's continuity in the wire, and the wire is not kinked or torn or anything like that. And the malfunction is in the fan relay, so replacing the fan relay is best.